Hello, everyone. My name is Benjamin Smith, and I'm an assistant professor of Arabic at Swarthmore College. I'm so happy to prepare this video after having received a grant from the Engagement Scholarship Consortium. And that grant is going to support an engaged learning component of a new course I'll be teaching this fall semester. So to give you an overview of this project and what the grant will support, essentially this course, this is a seminar entitled Refuge, Resettled in Philadelphia, is going to introduce students to the refugee and asylee resettlement system in America, very generally speaking. And we'll have speakers come in on that front. And in addition, given my expertise in Arabic language, literature, culture, students will be specifically learning about the Arabic-speaking community that has been recently resettled in Philadelphia. The course is co-taught by myself and a colleague, Professor Katie Price, out of the English department and the Lang Center at Swarthmore College. And that gives us an interesting dynamic of being able to kind of focus on some of my areas of expertise and hers as well, which is going to be wonderful. So after students learn about the resettlement system in the US, as well as they develop a background in the history and culture of this particular group of people, Arabic-speaking individuals from the Middle East, that will be the lead up to essentially a 3-part workshop taking place in the seminar that is an engaged learning experience led by 2 artist teachers, in which they will work with the students as well as approximately five community collaborators from the recently resettled Arabic-speaking population in Philadelphia. And together they will work through a sticky family or kind of chosen family 3-part workshop in which they will develop their ideas around, through this process of transition, what it means to kind of reimagine and reconceptualize the idea of family, broadly speaking. This has been done before, about 4 years ago, through a project also at Swarthmore College. So having witnessed the transformative power of this engaged learning experience, I'm so excited to be able to do what is essentially a second rendition of it with my colleagues. So the main component is going to be this this series of workshops, and then the content developed from the engaged learning experience in which the students and the collaborators and us, the professors, collaborate with one another will evolve and be given off to a professional comic book illustrator who will essentially bring these ideas and stories to life and produce a comic book, which will be professionally illustrated and printed in the spring of 2024. So this is kind of the project, an engaged learning experience embedded in a seminar. The partners, as I've mentioned, but just to keep it clear, are the 2 professors who are co-teaching, the students, approximately 12 students, 5 community partners who have recently resettled in the Philadelphia area, our 2 artist teachers running the workshop, and Eric Battle, a professional comic illustrator. The engaged Scholarship Consortium funds will essentially help in realizing the full dream that my colleague Katie Price and I had in bringing this course to fruition and bringing this engaged element to fruition in all its moving parts. And in addition to the support, we hope that in the future we'll be able to do another edition of the course to maintain ties with this community, and also hopefully publish research on this experience in hopes that not only would it form a model for engagement with the community of Arabic speakers that I'm familiar with, but this could be transferred into being used as a model with other different ethnic communities who have been recently resettled in the United States. So thank you very much. We are so excited to bring this course to life and be participants ourselves in this engaged learning experience that we're embedding in this new course called Refuge, Resettled in Philadelphia. Thank you.